In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Xiaomi. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. And install free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!